So to create a new task, all you need to do is to click on create task, and it is going to take you into this place where you can create a task. So you can add in the owner of this task. The owner of the task means that this is the person that is going to be carrying out the activity for this task. So if this task is to call someone, the owner of this task is Emma Glory, and she will be the one to call this particular contact. Okay, so now we are adding Emma Glory as the tax owner, and we also want to add in a subject for this task, and we can say email this contact, and we can also add in the due date, and the due date is just when we expect to finish this task. So we can say that I want to add in a particular due date for this task, and this due date is going to be in the next 3 days. So today is Monday, and we plan that by Wednesday we should have done this task. So we can set this task to the 26th, and we can also add in a contact for this task. So for this task, we can say that we want to be able to send email to Penny Hill, and we also want to connect an account if we already have the account here. And as you can see, the account has been added, and you can also click on the status in here to maybe in progress or not started, and when you are done you can click on completed. But since we have not started this task, we are going to name it as not started. And we can also set the priority of this task to high, or we can use low, or we can use highest. This is just to let us have an idea of how urgent this task is. If we're setting it to high, we are saying that this is a very important task, and we also want to carry out this task as soon as possible. So you can also set in a reminder for yourself, and the reminder can be maybe a day before the due date. So that means since the due date is on Wednesday, we want to send a reminder for tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and we can say that we want it to be one day before the due date at a particular time. So you can pick whatever time works for you, and when you pick in that time, it will be added. And you can also add in a repeat time if you want, and you can also notify by email, or you can notify by pop-up. A pop-up is going to be added into your Zoho CRM, and the reminder is going to be added in your Zoho CRM account, but you can also decide to use an email to notify yourself for this particular task. So when you're done, you click on done, and you can also decide to repeat this task if you want. And also you can add in a description for this task, and you can say something like this task is to reach out to the is to send an email to this contact when they come in into our Zoho CRM account. You can either click on save and new, which is going to save this particular task and create a new page to create another task, or you can just click on save. And when you click on save, this has been saved, and as you can see, we have this task in here. The name of the task is email this account, and we can see the contact that has been associated. We can see the account also that has been associated. So by the left hand side, we can see every info about this particular contact, and we can see whatever deal is attached. We can see the open activities. We can see if we have any open meetings or calls that we need to make to this contact. And we can also clone this task if we want. We can delete it if we want, and we can also print a review. And when we are done with this task, what you just need to do is to go into the status, and you need to click on completed. And when you click on completed, it is going to ask you if you are sure you want to mark this task as completed. And when you click on mark as completed, your task has been completed, and this status is going to be updated. So now you can go back in here, and you can also import tasks if you want. If you have different tasks you want to import into Zoho CRM for different contacts, all you need to do is to have the CSV file or the Excel file, and you can be able to import them into Zoho CRM. If you are using Zoho CRM and it still feels overwhelming, there are some parts you do not understand, there are some challenges you are facing, or there are some problems you are trying to overcome in your Zoho CRM account, you can book a free discovery call in the link in the description below, and we are going to help you look at everything you are having issues with, or every challenges you are facing in your Zoho CRM account, and we are going to help you solve every one of them. And also remember that we only have 10 slots per month for our discovery call, for the free discovery call. So book yours before it runs out. And also do not forget to like this video and also share this video to every Zoho CRM users you have out there, and also subscribe to this channel, because that will go a long way to helping this channel. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.